Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home. I got this cute little spring Frenchy look, so let's get started. I'm starting with some 5EO foreign because I love 5EO. Okay, I'm taking my e-file that I got from Amazon and I'm using a number 240 sanding band just to clean up the cuticle area of my fingers. I'm being sure to use the e-file on a low setting and also picking the e-file up from my finger, not just going back and forth repeatedly on my finger, because that is how you get heat spikes and they do hurt. So make sure you lift up your file while you're filing and have the file on a low setting. I'll make sure that I put the file and the sanding bands that I used, as well as any other products that I use, down in the description box. I'm cleaning up my cuticle on all of my fingers and also roughing up my natural nails a little bit to help the nail tips stick better when I apply them. Now I'm using a cuticle remover bit and I'm going one way in the same area of my cuticles and then going the opposite way, just to make sure I clean off any skin that may be in that area. I want to prevent lifting, and making sure this area is super clean is how you do that. You don't have to do this, but any cuticle skin that was just lifted up, I just nipped it off with a cuticle nipper. Do this at your own risk because you can cut yourself. It's a little dangerous, but it's not necessary. I'm taking these nail tips that I also got from Amazon. They're down below. They're coffin shaped and C-curved, and I'm just fitting them to the nail that they fit on using my KDS nail glue. I'm taking my nail cutter and cutting them down to the length that I want them, and off camera I just filed them with my e-file just to rough them up a little bit. Now I'm spraying them with alcohol just to get all of the dust off, using a nail brush. And to prep my nails, I'm using Young Nails Protein Bond and putting that on my natural nails. This is also to help prevent lifting with the acrylic. I'm using my Mia Secret Cover Beige acrylic powder, as well as my Mia Secret monomer, and I'm just applying the acrylic. I don't do like a 3 bead method or anything. I just use as many beads as necessary to get the look that I'm going for. I also angle my finger down to help me avoid flooding my cuticle area, and I place my first beads in that area. That's just the way that I like to do it. Do what's comfortable for you. Don't feel like you have to do like 5 beads or 3 beads or 1 big bead. Like, no, just take your time. It's not a race. Like, get your application down and then worry about time later. Also, I like my nails to be a little bit thicker. I feel like that gives them more strength. I like a really nice apex with my nails. I like that area to be strong, so I don't have to worry about my nail actually breaking, because I do have a toddler that I have to, like, you know, take care of. So I don't want my nails to just be breaking while I'm doing stuff for him. So I do build my apex nice and thick and strong. I like a lot of strength in that area. And when I put the nude down, I also encapsulated it with clear. Just another thing that's a preference. I like to file over the clear instead of the nude. So because I take my time when applying my acrylic, I don't really have much to file afterwards, but I start with my hand file and I just make sure my shape is the way that I want it to be. So now that the shape is good, I'm going back with my e-file and I'm using a 150 sanding bed. I'm just smoothing out the nails texture and everything, and I'm going around my cuticles, but I'm not getting too close because I'm going to use another drill bit to do this. But please be careful, and my file is on low. The 150 sanding bed will cut you, so watch yourself around your cuticles. I'm using this rounded drill bit to get a flush cuticle area as well as clean up any acrylic that got in my C-curve. Now I'm just buffing my nails and cleaning them off with some alcohol. You can use Swipe by Young Nails if you prefer it, but I just use alcohol because it's right there. I'm setting out all of my polishes. All the polishes I'm using are from Beetles, as well as, I think the brand is called Savvy Wind. Everything will be down below, as well as all of the specific colors that I use, but I'm just mixing different colors together to get the colors that I want. So I have to start with my French tip. So I'm using some white nail polish and this detail brush and just drawing on my smile line. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to outline it with the colors anyway, but making it as neat as possible helps the colors to be neat. Now I'm taking another detail brush and just doing the outline of the French tip that I just did. I'm doing a different color on every single finger, and if I get out of line, I just take another nail art brush from this little set, and I just take that brush and some alcohol and just clean it up. I'm gonna use this top coat. It's also from Amazon. Like I said, everything is from Amazon. I really wouldn't recommend this top coat, honestly. It's super shiny, but I don't like the smell of it. But I'm just putting that on all of my nails, and I'm gonna wipe off the sides of my nails so that it doesn't mess up the shape of my nails. I worked too hard on this shape, okay? And then I'm gonna put it under my UV light, which I don't show, but I will put that down below as well. And the nails are all done. I just need to put on this cuticle oil, which is also from, you guessed it, Amazon, okay? Everything's gonna be down below. I'm just putting this on my cuticles. This is more so for the picture than for actual cuticle benefits, because I just like when it looks shiny in the pictures. But that is the finished video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. They don't wanna be